Hello everybody and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on the navigation map will teach you where the tool is accessible and how to incorporate it into your project. The navigation map provides quick and easy navigation through the entire terrain. It shows a raster-based map and the location and direction of the camera view on the map. The map offers a simple mechanism to integrate file or server-based maps into the application. To begin this tutorial, let us go over how the navigation map can be accessed. The navigation map can be accessed in two methods. The first method is through the ribbon menu by clicking View Settings tab, and in the Show group, check the box next to the navigation map. The next method, which is the preferred method, and that's through the ribbon menu by clicking the Navigation tab, then clicking on Map. The drop-down menu will list two options: Navigation Map Settings and Display Navigation Map. The navigation map settings allows you to add new maps to the navigation window. To add a new map to the navigation map window, first on the ribbon menu, click on the navigation tab, click on map, and select the navigation map settings. Click Add and the open dialog box is displayed. Browse for the required map and click Open. I do want to make a note that the navigation map supports the same file formats and servers as are supported for raster layers. It is strongly recommended to use a compressed format. This ensures maximum performance with slower internet connections. Once selected, click Open. Then back in the Navigation Map Settings dialog box, define the property sheet parameters as required. If the map is not referenced to the coordinate system of the terrain, you can either reproject or manually adjust. Once the parameters have been defined, click OK. Now we have set our navigation map and made the necessary adjustments so it can display accurately. Next is to display the map. Let us take a look at the layout of the navigation map window. The indicator shows the direction of the plane's flight as a red plane icon and the direction of the field of the camera's view as two blue lines. By default, the indicator is in the center of the navigation map. The drop-down menu allows you to select other maps for the same project. One nice feature that the map allows is to move to any location on the terrain. This can be done by double-clicking on any area of the navigation map to jump directly to the chosen location. We went over where the navigation map can be accessed, how to add new maps, adjust parameters, and the general layout. This concludes the tutorial on the navigation map. For more information, refer to Chapter 8, Navigation tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.